Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some shortcuts on your Mac. This is for all the beginners out there that have not yet maneuvered around Mac OS and everything like that. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the very first one I'm going to be showing you is Command, Shift, and Q. And that's to close all your windows and all your applications and log out. Next one that I'll be showing you is Command W, and that will close the window that you're on, just like that. Next one I'm going to be showing you is more for like when you're on a Word and you want to save as really quick. And you can go, let's say hello there. My name is Pat. Okay, and then how to save as, you would do Command, Shift, and S. And then you, or whatever you want the document to be called, Pat. And that's it. Now I'm going to be showing you how to open your utilities if you need to do something really quick. All you have to do is Command, Shift, and U. And then it'll pop up with the exact same file. If you just want to update it, so hello there. Then if you want to keep it the exact same name and use the same file and everything, all you do is just hit Command and S. And it will save just like that. Now I'm going to be showing you how to open your computer. So for this one, you're going to want to go Command, Shift, and C. And there you go. And then you can just go hard drive, and then there's all your applications, library, system, and users. This one I'm going to be showing you how to open up your downloads. So it's Command, Alt, or Option, and then L. And there you go. I'm going to show you how to copy, paste, and print now. So let's say you just want this blender, and say you want this, so you want to highlight it, and then to copy it, you will hit Command and then C, and then to paste it, just Command V. And now let's say for print, you'll just hit Command and P, and then it'll come up. And then you can go from there. Now let's say you just want to take a quick look at the image that you have on your computer. So all you would do is Command Y for a quick look. And then to open it, you would do Command O. You can open it. Now let's say you just want to cut something from a website, so you hit Command X. And then to undo, you would want to hit Command Z. And there you go. And let's say now you want to select everything in this URL, and you hit Command A, and now it's all highlighted. And I'm going to show you how to open AirDrop. This is in case you can't find your AirDrop folder or whatever. You hit Command Shift R, and then here there's also settings on who you're going to be discovered by and things like that. Now let's say you just have a small image on the website that you're looking at, and you just want to zoom in on the image. You would hit Command and plus up here, right beside the delete, and you would zoom in like that. And then to zoom out, you would go right beside the plus, which is the minus. You can zoom out all the way. And there you have it. Now I'm going to show you how to find something on a page. Let's say there's a huge list of things and you can't find it and you're just freaking out or whatever. Then you would hit Command F and then you just write, let's say, Bills. And there you go. It will be highlighted for you. Buffalo Bills. And then let's say you want to find it again, then you would hit Command G. Cancel that. Command G, and then you'd hit Bills again. And there you go. Now I'm going to show you how to do full screenshots and screenshots for specific areas that you just want to take a screenshot. So let's say of this New England Patriots and Rams picture. So first we're going to do the full screenshot. So you'll have to hit Command Shift and 3. And then you'll have it on your desktop right here. Yep, that's it. And then let's say you just want this, then you have to click Command Shift and 4. And then you just highlight it, and then it'll be in the exact same spot. See? All right, moving on. I'm going to show you how to open your Spotlight on your Mac. So all you would hit is Command and Spacebar. And then right here I'll show Spotlight Search. The next one I'm going to be showing you is how to scroll through all your open applications. So let's say you have like 10 open and you're just having a hard time getting through all of them. All you'd have to hit is Command and Tab. You go through all of them like that. And then you'd hit Tab every single time you want to go to a different one. Let's say you're texting one of your friends and you just want to input an emoji, or if you just want to put it in one of your letters or something, then all you hit is Control, Command, and Spacebar, and it'll come up. And then you can pick whatever you want. There you go. Got a nice little curling rock. So now let's say you want to browse the network that's on your computer. So you go Command, Shift, and K. And there you go. Now let's say you want to get the information from a particular file, whether it's what size it is or how big it is, how much room it's going to take on your hard drive, etc. Then all you would have to click is Command and I. And there you go. You have all the information, when it was created, last open, etc. Now let's say you want to go to your iCloud drive and check out all the files there. I have nothing in my iCloud drive though, but for demonstration purposes, I will just show you guys. So Command, Shift, and then I. And there you go. Now let's say there's a lot of files in your trash bin and you want to get rid of them. My trash can is actually full, but I have some files in there that I want to keep. So I'm not going to delete, I'm not going to empty it, but I'll just tell you guys what to hit. So it'd be Shift, Command, and Delete. And that'll empty your trash can. Now we're going to show you how to use the help. So you do Command, Shift, and question mark. You can do it for Microsoft Word, or doesn't really matter. Mac help. Just this is for all applications if you need help. Now I'm going to show you how to quickly open your document folder. So you would hit Command, Shift, and O, just like that. And then you go on with your day. Now let's say that you want more than one copy of a particular file, whether it's a Word document or a picture or whatever, then you just hit Command and D, and it'll come. And you can just do it multiple times if you need to. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. This is How To Tech Tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Good night. Cheers, y'all.